Katrina, the saddest thing I went through. Katrina, oh Katrina, do you feel my pain? Yeah, I know it's getting strange. 16 years ago, Katrina was the worst. I seen dead bodies floating water coming out the dirt. It left me down, it left me hurt. It was really the worst. Love. Damn, seen dead bodies underneath the bridge in filthy water, just like we was pigs in the water walking. It was up to my neck. I had dirt all on my back. Yeah, I was in the Superdome in a bad mood, putting water in the bag just to make military food. Goddamn, it really wasn't cool. Goddamn, yeah, look. I'll tell you how it all began. Me and my bro, we were just chillin', just sleeping by our friends. Mama came and got us, said Katrina on the way, so we had to vacate. Look, AT came and got us. We went by my grandma's house uptown, where winds was blowing hard, tornadoes, buildings and trees was even getting knocked down. Damn. Do you feel my pain? Do you feel it? Do you feel my pain? We thought really wasn't no hope. Grandma was praying hard. It was like Katrina shook the float. Grandma packed up and said we have to go. I can't take no more. We started walking to my cousin's house in the project where it was hot as hell. People was cooped up like it was a hotel. People was smelling, power was off, couldn't even take a bath. Stayed there one night and decided to go. Lying on the mattress just like it was a boat. Until we got close to the Superdome where they left us alone. I see dead bodies on the ground. We started walking in water. It was small at first, then it got larger. Damn. It was up to my back, then went up to my neck. I was like, God damn, is this it? Then the people came with a rescue boat and put us on it. Yeah. Do you feel my pain? Do you feel it? Oh, Katrina, how could you do this to me? Do you feel my pain? Katrina. Until we got by the bridge, they had a lot of stuff happen by the bridge. They had a lot of dead bodies underneath the bridge. We was wet, it was so cold, just like a fridge. Then we walked to the Superdome, where we was alone. We were barely grown, family was separated, left me devastated. Goddamn, love. Couldn't even use the bathroom, man. They had people getting raped and dead babies in the trash can. Goddamn, it was really wrong, yeah, love. Only people was lining us up and saying, don't you move. Only thing we had was water, military food. Next day we got on the Greyhound, went to Houston, to the extra dome, where it felt like home. Family was finally back together. It felt a little better, love. Then I see my nigga deal dap him off real quick. Never thought that'd be the last time I see him again. Damn. Do you feel my pain? Do you feel it?